Dear NOS, RTL and SBS News. Over the years Anonymous have seen you broadcasting the news in the Netherlands. Over the years Anonymous have seen you spreading lots of state propaganda. Many years already you have been telling lies and half-truths to the public without giving any solid background information. Anonymous is very unsatisfied by the way you have deceived the Dutch public. You are filling the heads of the people in the Netherlands with disinformation. You are giving the people in the Netherlands a total false view at the world by using your one-sided copy-paste ANP and Reuters journalism. Let's be honest, NOS, RTL and SBS, you have deceived and trapped many people into a false reality. In this plastic reality, people are driven by fear and not by love. Why is it so hard for you to ask critical questions about a lot of subjects? Why did Anonymous never hear you ask critical questions about imaginary terrorism and counterterrorism, with its privacy-killing measurements, corruption, 9/11, pedophiles like George Deming, poverty, unhealthy chemical additives in our food, the chemtrails in our air, genetically modified organisms, the so-called third world countries, the Codex Alimentarius, the manipulation of oil prices and the manipulation of the stock markets, false flag attacks, wars about oil, poppy fields and building permanent bases in the Middle East. How is it possible you always put your fist very deep into the rectum of America and the NATO? Why don't you tell people the truth about our fraudulent monetary system where money is printed out of thin air and borrowed at private banks by our own government against interest? Why don't you tell people the truth about the fact we all are becoming financial slaves? Financial slaves for the banking cartels and the corporations. Consider this message as a serious last warning. Stop spreading lies. Stop spreading half-truths. Start giving people correct information, full background information so they can form a solid opinion. Stop spreading copy-paste journalism. Start using independent journalism again. Stop the state propaganda. More and more people worldwide are waking up. More and more people are revolting against their fascist governments because they see the lies and propaganda. It is only a matter of time that people will rise up in the Netherlands. Anonymous can guarantee you the people do not accept your lies and propaganda anymore. Alternative media channels of the internet are rapidly growing in popularity. There is an explosion of information going around the internet. The path of the righteous man is beset on all sides by the iniquities of the selfish and the tyranny of evil men. Blessed is he who, in the name of charity and goodwill, shepherds the weak through the valley of darkness, for he is truly his brother's keeper. Anonymous will strike down upon thee with great vengeance and furious anger, those who would attempt to poison and destroy our brothers. And you will know my name is Anonymous when we lay our vengeance upon thee. You are warned. Have a nice day. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We hate manipulating media fags. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.